Hello, in this video, we will be learning about the machine learning process. The machine learning process consists of different steps. The first step is data collection and preparation. Often, the difficulty is that there is a large amount of data that might be relevant, but it is hard to collect either because it requires many measurements to be taken or because they are in a variety of places and formats, and merging it appropriately is difficult, as is ensuring that it is clean. That is, it does not have significant errors, missing data, etc. For supervised learning, target data is also needed, which can require the involvement of experts in the relevant field and significant investments of time. Finally, the quantity of data needs to be considered. Machine learning algorithms need significant amounts of data, preferably without too much noise. But with increased data size comes increased computational costs, and the sweet spot at which there is enough data without excessive computational overhead is generally impossible to predict. The second step is feature selection. It consists of identifying the features that are most useful for the problem under examination. This invariably requires prior knowledge of the problem and the data, as well as the identification of features that are useful for the learner. It is also necessary that the features can be collected without significant expense or time and they are robust to noise. The next step in the learning process is algorithm choice. Given the data set, the choice of an appropriate algorithm or algorithms in that the knowledge of the underlying principles of each algorithm and examples of their use precisely what is required for this. The last step is parameter and model selection. For many of the algorithms, there are parameters that have to be set manually or that require experimentation to identify appropriate values. Model selection refers to using algorithm with right parameters or choosing between completely different algorithms such as KNN versus decision tree versus SVM. Thank you for watching the video.